Hello dear viewers, welcome back to the channel Basic Home First Aid. Today we are going to look at what to do if someone is choking. Imagine you are eating with someone and suddenly they stop talking. They grab their throat, they look distressed and they cannot speak or breathe. In that moment, every second counts. A person who is choking may not be able to speak, cough or breathe, and we often hold their throat. These are the key signs of a blocked airway. Now, how should you react in such a situation? If the person is still able to cough, encourage them to keep coughing. Do not hit their back at this stage. The World Health Organization explained that coughing is the body's natural way to try to clear the airway. But if they cannot breathe, speak or cough, you need to act immediately. Stand slightly behind them and give up to 5 firm back blows between the shoulder blades. If the object does not come out, give 5 abdominal thrusts. Now, to do the abdominal thrust, place your hands just above the stomach and push inward and upward. This technique is widely used in first aid to help remove the blockage. Continue alternating 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts until the object comes out. If the person becomes unconscious, call emergency services immediately, and if you are in a place where emergency help is not available, arrange to transport the person to the nearest hospital as quickly as possible. If you are interested in getting life-saving first aid tips like this all the time, just subscribe. We are producing a series of videos on very vital skills everyone needs to know. And most importantly, never forget this: if not you, who?